Today we will be adding and subtracting with decimals, okay? The number one thing to remember when you are adding and subtracting with decimals is line up the decimal. This is important because it will align your place values, okay? When you do not have decimals involved, technically there is a decimal at the end. So say you have 602 minus 76, you always line it up here because there's an imaginary decimal with an infinite number of zeros after it, okay? So when you have decimals with digits after into the tenths, hundredths, thousandths, etc. place, you need to line up the place values. So let's take a look here at number one, find the sum. So I would have 47.634. I'm going to put my decimal here first. 4, 5 will go right under the tenths and hundredths place. There's nothing in that thousandths place, so I'm going to fill it with a 0, and then I'm going to fill in my 32. Okay, now I can add. Okay, and I follow all my same addition rules here. 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 5 is 8, 6 is 10, 0, carry a 1. Okay, bring my decimal down. 7 plus 1 is 8, 9, 10. Again, bring down the 0, carry. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. Okay, so your answer is 80 and 84 thousandths. Same thing here. Line up the decimals. 112 64 hundredths. I'm going to fill in 12 and then 673. Now, this one does not have a number on top, so again, fill in with a 0. And we add 0 plus 3 is 3. 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry my 1. 13. Carry my 1. Bring down my decimal. 5, 2, 1. So I get 125 and 313 thousandths. Okay, there are two more that you can try on your own there for addition. Take a look at subtraction. This is going to be the same thing. Line up the decimals. Okay, so I have 144 and 86 hundredths minus 484. Again, fill in the 0 on the top because there is an additional place value in the second number, and then 29. Okay, we will borrow just like we typically do with subtraction. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 minus 8, can't do it. Borrow. 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring down my decimal. 4 can't do. Borrow. 14 minus 9 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So 115 and 376 thousandths. Okay. I will do one more here for an example, and I'm actually going to come down and do number 8 because there is no decimal technically there, but we talked about there is actually an imaginary decimal with zeros after it. So I'll go ahead and fill those in because I see that second number has 3 digits after the decimal, goes all the way to the thousandths place. 276, and we'll do our subtraction here. Okay, I'm going to borrow all the way from this guy, turn that into a 6. These are going to become 9s because we're going to have to borrow all the way over. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. Bring down that decimal. Boop. 6 minus 6 is 0. 5 minus 7, borrow again from the 4, make that a 3. 15 minus 7 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. You get 180 and 25 thousandths. Okay, and there are two more for you to try on your own.